Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're asked which of the following out of our four options is the graph of y is equal to 2x minus 5 in the xy plane. So before we do anything, we have to say, okay, if we had this equation and we didn't have any other graphs, what could we say we knew about the graph of this equation? Well, if we look at this as the form y is equal to mx plus b, we see it is in slope-intercept form. So the slope is equal to 2, so we have a positive slope, so it's an increasing function, which means as x is increasing, y is increasing. And then b is equal to negative 5, so b is the y-intercept, so our y-intercept, negative 5, is going to be the point 0 and negative 5. So if you look at these graphs, and you compare them to the ones in your book, you notice there's a lot less information here, right? You can't see any of the points that these lines are going through except for their y-intercept, and the slopes you wouldn't be able to tell just from one point. But I limited the information here because this is all you need to find the answer to this problem. So firstly, the y-intercept is 0, negative 5. So for which of these is that the case? Well, I'll just go and see where it intersects with the y-intercept. For A, it looks like it's positive 1, 2, and then 2.5 maybe. So 0, 2.5. For B, goes 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. So that is good. So B is still in the running. A is not. For C, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 5. So C is also out. And then D is 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. So B and D are our two options as of right now. But we are told that we have a positive slope, right? It's 2, which is positive, which means we have an increasing function. So for which of these is x increasing and y increasing at the same time? So what does it mean for x to be increasing? Well, that just means we have to look at the function left to right, right? As you look from left to right, x goes from negative to 0 to positive, and as you keep going this way, it just gets bigger and bigger. So looking left to right, is the line increasing or decreasing? Well, for this, we start here. As we go to the right, the value of y continues to go down. So this is a decreasing function. As x increases, y decreases. So B is not our option. By process of elimination, we know it's D since it's not A, B, or C. But if we try and look at what does it mean for the function to be increasing, as we go this way, with the x increasing, we can see y is also increasing. The value of the function is getting bigger and bigger. So as x is increasing, y is increasing, so it's an increasing function, has a positive slope, and we have a y-intercept of 0, negative 5, therefore D is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.